Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall VideoProc on Windows, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall VideoProc on Windows, start by closing the application if it's currently open. Click on the Start menu in the bottom left corner of your screen. In the search bar, type Control Panel and hit Enter. Once the Control Panel window opens, select Programs. Then click on Programs and Features. Scroll through the list. Once you've located VideoProc, click on it to highlight the program. Now, look for the Uninstall option at the top of the window and click on it. A prompt will appear asking for confirmation to uninstall. Click Yes. The uninstallation process will begin, and it may take a few moments to complete. Once finished, you will see a confirmation message indicating the uninstallation is successful. To ensure all related files are removed, you may want to check the installation directory. Open File Explorer and navigate to the location where VideoProc was installed. Typically, this is in the Program Files folder on your C drive. If you find any remaining VideoProc folders, delete them to clean up any leftover files. Next, it's a good idea to check for any leftover entries in the registry. Type regedit in the Start menu search bar and hit Enter to open the registry editor. Be careful and navigate to HKUI_current_user and HKUI_local_machine to search for VideoProc entries. If you find any, select them and press the Delete key. Finally, restart your computer to complete the uninstallation process. This ensures that all changes take effect and any remaining processes are terminated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.